In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in Google Sheets. If you're tired of staring at long decimals like 769 and want your data to look clean and professional, this walkthrough will show you 3 simple ways to round numbers so your sheets are easier to read and share. First up is the standard formula method using the round function. Click into the cell where you want the rounded result. Type =round. Then select the number or the cell that holds it, add a comma, and type how many decimal places you want. Close the parenthesis and press enter. For example, using 2 gives you 2 decimal places, perfect for currency, while using 0 rounds to the nearest whole number. This function follows the usual rounding rules. 5 and above rounds up, 4 and below rounds down. If your original value is in a cell, say A2, you might type ishkaj round A2 to show a tidy 2 decimal result without manually editing every value. Sometimes you need to control the direction of the rounding. That's where ROUNDUP and ROUNDDOWN come in. Use ROUNDUP when you always want to go to the higher number, which is especially helpful for things like taxes, inventory, or packaging where you can't have fractions. For instance, ROUNDUP A2000 jumps to the next whole number. Use =ROUNDDOWN when you want to ignore the decimal and keep it conservative. ROUNDDOWN A2000 simply drops everything after the decimal. A quick note, these functions round away from 0 and toward 0 respectively, so negative numbers behave accordingly. If you'd rather not use formulas at all, you can format the display using the toolbar. Highlight your numbers, then click the decrease decimal button until you see the number of decimal places you want. This is great for reports, dashboards, or quick presentations because it hides the extra digits without altering the actual value. Behind the scenes, your totals and calculations still use the full precision, so you keep accuracy while showing a cleaner view. To choose the right approach, think about whether you need the rounded value to be used in further calculations. If you do, formulas like round, roundup, and rounddown are the safest choice. If you're only changing how the number looks, the toolbar is fast and effective. And that's it. 3 easy ways to keep your Google Sheets tidy and professional. The round function for standard rounding, roundup and rounddown when direction matters, and the toolbar for a no formula formatting fix.